what do you understand about the gradients of parallel lines? We have learned that the gradient of a straight line is the ratio of a vertical distance to horizontal distance, and the corresponding angles of the parallel lines are equal. Based on diagram 1 to diagram 5, calculate the value of theta. Based on diagram 1 to diagram 5, calculate the value theta. So, dia dah bagi contoh dekat diagram 1, jadi kita try dekat diagram 2. Macam mana nak cari dia? Tekan shift, lepas tu tekan tan, dan ambil dia punya tan lah. So, tan dekat sini 4/2. So, sama dengan dapatlah dia punya ni 63.43. So, kan dia punya ni sama, so jawapan dia pun sama. Yang ni kan sama dengan ni, jawapan dia pun sama. Yang ni sama dengan ni kan, jawapan dia pun sama. So, kat bawah ni, dia tanya, are the values of theta for the 5 diagram the same? So, jawapan dia semua 63.43 degree. So, jawapan dia semua sama. So, yes, for this answer, yes. Okay, for number 4, the graph in diagram 1 to diagram 5 are combined as below. Okay, discussion. Are the straight lines y, straight line yang semua ni parallel and y. So, kita kena tahu dia punya gradient dulu. So, formula gradient kan yang ni, m equal to y2 tolak y1 per x2 tolak x1. So, okay, macam ni. X dekat sini negatif 2. Yang ni dia punya x. X1. Y1 dia kosong. Okay, so x2 dia pun kosong. Y2 dia yang ni y2 dia. So lepas tu kita buatlah ikut formula dia kan. So 4 kat sini y2 4 tolak kosong and kosong tolak negatif 2. Kosong tolak negatif 2. So jawapan dia 4/2. So potong-potong 2/1. Okay, so kita dapat 2. So bila kita buat semua ni, dia akan dapat jawapan yang sama. Jom kita tengok. Okay, so jawapan dia sama. And so on lah. Selain daripada dia punya gradient sama, okay, tengok kat sini. They are parallel line because they have corresponding angle. So dekat sini dia punya corresponding angle yang ni lah. Yang tu, yang okay. What are the connections between the gradients and the parallel lines? Okay, if two lines are parallel, then the gradients are equal. Conversely, if two lines have the same gradient, then they are parallel. Okay, so from brainstorming 4, it is found that the straight lines are parallel because they have the same gradient, that is m equals to 2. So sama dengan jawapan kita tadi. And the same corresponding angles, that is 63.43 degrees. Yang kita dapat dekat sini, yang kita dapat dekat number 2 tadi. Okay, so in general, straight lines that have the same gradients are parallel.
Example 8. Determine whether the straight line y equal to 3x plus 5 is parallel to the straight line 6x minus 2y equal to 9. Let's see the solution. Y equal to 3x plus 5, and compare with y, it will be mx plus c, and the gradient will be 3. Next, 6x negative 2y equal to 9. So first, we bring 6x to the back. It will be negative 2y equal to negative 6x plus 9. Next, we have to eliminate the number in front of y, that is negative 2. So we have to divide this equation with negative 2. So the answer is y equal to 3x minus 9 over 2. The gradient for this equation is 3. The gradient of both straight lines are equal. Thus, y equal to 3x plus 5 is parallel to 6x negative 2y equal to 9. Example 9. Determine whether the straight line y equal to 3x plus 8 is parallel to the straight line 6y equal to 3x minus 9. Solution: y equal to 3x plus 8. So, compare this question with formula y equal to mx plus c. So, the gradient for this question is 3. Next, 6y equal to 3x minus 9. So, to get rid of the number in front of y, we need to divide this question by 6. So, y equal to 3x divide by 6 minus 9 divide by 6. So, it can be y equal to 1 over 2 x minus 3 over 2. The gradient for this question is 1 divided by 2. The gradient of both straight lines are not equal. So, y equal to 3x plus 8 is not parallel to 6y equal to 3x minus 9.
Given that straight line 4x plus 3y equal to 18 is parallel to the straight line 2x plus hy equal to 2, calculate the value of h. Okay, so we want to find the value of h. This solution. So, first, we need to remember that if both straight lines are parallel, then the gradients are equal. Okay, now we want to find the gradient for straight line 4x plus 3y equal to 18. So, let's bring the 4x here. So, 3y equal to negative 4x plus 18. Next, bring the 3 here. So, y equal to negative 4x over 3 plus 18 over 3. Divide 1. Okay. Next, y equal to negative 4 over 3 x plus 6. Okay, here we already got the gradient. So here, gradient equal to negative 4 over 3. Okay, next, we want to find the gradient for straight line 2x plus hy equal to 20. So, let's bring the 2x here first. So, hy equal to negative 2x plus 20. Next, bring the h. So, y equal to negative 2x negative 2 over h x plus 20 over h. So, this is the gradient for this straight line. The gradient equal to negative 2 over h. Okay, now we want to find the value of h. So, bring the h to here and negative 4 over 3 to here. So, h equal to 2 times 3 over 4. H equal to 2 times 3 over 4 equal to 3 over 2. So this is the value of h.
Okay, question number 1. Determine whether the following pairs of straight lines are parallel. First, we have to solve the first equation. 3y equal to negative 6x plus 3. We have to use the equation at the right side, y equal to mx plus c, to solve this question. We have to bring the 3 to the back. So it will be y equal to negative 6 over 3 x plus 3 over 3. After we divide it, the equation will be y equal to negative 2x plus 1. So the gradient from this question is negative 2. Next, we have to solve the second question. For this question, we have to follow the same equation, that is y equal to mx plus c. First, we have to bring the 2x to the back. So we will get y equal to negative 2x plus 14. M is represented as gradient. So the gradient for this equation is negative 2. The gradients of both straight lines are equal. Thus, 3y equal to negative 6x plus 3 is parallel to y plus 2x equal to 14. Next questions. Determine the value of k for each of the following pairs of parallel lines. So, we have to find the value of k. We still have to use the same equation, or it will call as formula y equal to mx plus c. We have to solve it one by one. The first equation is y equal to negative 3x plus 4. As you can see, this equation is same as the formula. The gradient is negative 3. Next, we move to the next equation. Y plus kx equal to 14. First, we have to move the kx to the back. So, it will be y equal to negative kx plus 14. So, the gradient for this equation is negative k. Based on the instruction, we have to find the value of k. So, next step is we have to bring the negative 3 equal to negative k. We just have to switch it like this, and it will be positive. K equal to 3. Last question. The diagram on the right shows a parallelogram PQRS Given that the straight line PQ is parallel to SR and the straight line PS is parallel to QR, and O is the origin, calculate the values of H and K. First, we have to write SP equal to RQ. Equation SP is Hx plus Y equal to 10. We still also have to use the same formula, Y equal to Mx plus C. So it will be Y equal to negative Hx plus 10. So the gradient for this equation is negative H. Equation for RQ is 2y equal to 5x minus 4. As usual, we have to bring the 2 to the back. So, the equation will be y equal to 5 over 2x minus 4 over 2. If we divide the 4 over 2, it will be negative 2. So, the gradient for this equation is 5 over 2. Next is, we have to write PQ equal to SR. Equation PQ is 6y equal to kx plus 12. We have to bring the 6 to the back, and it will be y equal to k over 6 x plus 12 over 6. We can divide the 12 over 6, and it will be 2. So the gradient for this equation is k over 6. Equation SR is y equal to 1 over 2x plus 6. The equation is same as the formula, so all we have to do is just write the gradient. The gradient is 1 over 2. Lastly, we have to find the value of h and k. Negative h equal to 5 over 2. We just have to switch them so that the h will be positive and the value of h is negative 5 over 2. Next, the value of k. K over 6 equal to 1 over 2. We just have to bring the 6 to the back and the k will stay at the front. So it will be 1 over 2 times 6. And the value for k is 3. And this is the final answer for this question.